this is Lis Nielsen, Artist in the Woods, and thank you for joining me. I am working just from a small photograph picture that my dad took a long time ago, one of his trips. I'm really not sure of the location. It could be Norway, but I love the reflection of the mountains coming onto the water, and I decided to paint large, so this will be a multiple video painting. Most paintings take several days to complete. My other paintings I've been doing in one shot, and so they've been small paintings, but this one will be a larger painting. So welcome, and here we go. I went ahead and toned my canvas so that it is ready for paint. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw in my design. I did a little sketch also. I love the way the light is coming across the mountain right here, and I love the cloud formation. So it's a nice play of light and dark, and then some midtones in here. So I want to bring that across. And I'll just follow my sketch right now rather than the photo, wanting to make sure that I stay away from those mid points on the canvas with my lines and where they go. It looks like I did come in almost to here, so I'm going to go just above that with the some of your thinner to thin down those shadow areas so that you can actually go in thinner when you're doing these first parts of the painting, and you're kind of scrubbing it in in these first parts. You're not going to make your final strokes right now. Just keep that in mind, that those reflection areas of the water should look different than the land area. As land parts go back in the distance, they become cooler and lighter, and so where these look very dark back here, remember to keep them cooler. So add some blue in with that, and then it will read right from the beginning, and you won't have to go back and change it. So I'm just working on the darks right now. Okay. Those really dark areas, the shadow areas mostly. And you'll start to see this kind of take some shape in here pretty quickly once I get those parts down. So it's going back even further as I go back with the mountain. So I'm going to go cooler and lighter still. I already have some warm down there, and it's mixing as it goes down on top of that. So I'll have to go back in on some of this and fix it and make it lighter in here where I just put that dark down. But at least I've got the darks down. So getting cooler and lighter, still remembering to stay thin with my paint. Now I'm going to do some darks in the water. So these are the midtones of the mountain. Brush. I'll go back to using that brush, but when I put on snow, I want a clean brush. And snow is not completely white. So I just put a little tad of orange into that.